Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. I hope all is well with you and your family. But in today's video, I would like to share with you all the pros and cons of a metal gardening bed. Yes, just the pros and cons of these beds, right? Now, family, this is not a promotion. This is just an observation, right? So, as I walk around in my garden, I'm sharing with you all now my plantains and how they are growing. They are growing beautifully. I'm very happy about them. We have 11 racks on my plantain plants as of today. But listen, if you are not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Let's talk about these metal beds. You ready? Are you ready? Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Let me try to get this okra off here. And of course, we got the beautiful okra flower. I hope you are having a beautiful day. Yep, it's gray over here. And yes, we are gonna have more rain. But I ain't mad, y'all. I ain't mad. That one is not ready yet. What else we got here? So today I'm gonna be taking up two of my tomato plants. Yeah. But also today, in today's video, I want to share with you all what makes metal beds so special, right? What makes them so special? Now, metal beds comes with pros and cons. So family, when it comes to metal beds, my first question to myself is, how do we get here? How did we get here? So today is Sunday, September 1. On my live tonight, I will be discussing the pros and cons of a metal bed, right? But the first things about this metal bed is that they are durable. Yeah, they are very durable. Many of them could last for many, many years. Many years, family, right? Number two is that they can control some pests, like some snails and slugs, because of the slippery material. Many of them cannot get into the beds, right? This is what's advertised, that they are pest controlled in that sense. Yeah. So many of them, the metal, you think about the metal in these beds, that in the fall they will keep our soil nice and warm. And yes, our plants love warm soil, right? So that is a great way to keep your plants healthy and growing big, because they are in that warm soil, right? Yeah. Also, the drainage and the aeration of these raised beds. The drainage, a lot of them can hold that water. And this comes with a con also, is that sometimes people will overwater the metal beds because they will hold that water. So if you have one, pay attention. And as you can see, as I'm walking around in my garden, that I have five metal raised beds in my garden. Thanks to our friend, no, my friend, Growing Out the Box. Growing Out the Box have gifted me all 5 of my beds. And I love them, y'all. I do. Now, the number 5 reason many people are using the metal beds is because of the look of them. It makes our garden looks really, really together. It makes it look neat, right? Wouldn't you agree? Yeah, it makes your garden look very sleek and put together. So when you thinking about raised beds, it's another way to make your garden look very nice. Yeah. It makes your garden look very modern, and all of the varieties of colors many companies are offering. Yeah, you can have your garden the color you want it to be. They look very, very neat. You have optional colors, and you can have your garden bed your favorite color, right? Many of these garden beds are very easy to assemble. Many of them are very lightweight. Yeah, they are very lightweight, easy to assemble, and it just make your garden look like you are in 2024. Yeah, but listen, this is what the gardening companies want us to feel. They have went through the feelings of it, right? So be aware that there are cons. We're going to get into those right now. Many metal beds can leach chemicals and zinc into your soil. Yeah, that is not a good thing. To have chemicals and zinc leached into your soil, and not only the soil that is in the raised bed, but the soil that is under the raised bed, your ground, it will leach these chemicals into the soil. Because of this reason, many companies are offering liners for your metal raised bed. There is liners that is available to put into your raised beds before you fill your beds up with soil. This is to stop the leaching of those chemicals and all of that metal going into your soil. Because family, remember this, no matter what it is, if it's liquid, anything that is put into these raised bed, and if your plants is in it, your plants is going to suck it up. And if your plants are sucking up these zinc and metals, then it is going into the plants, and if you're eating it, you will eat it, family. You will eat it. So be aware of maybe you need a lining in your bed. Through time, your metal bed will rust. You will have rust areas on your raised bed. So with those rust areas, if you have sharp edges on your raised bed, and if you fall, it could be very, very dangerous. If you fall on that raised bed, it could be very sharp. Beware of your steps. Beware of your footing when you are in your garden, especially if you older person or you having problems with balance, because many of the edges of these beds are sharp, family. They are sharp, so beware. Many beds are affordable, yeah, but many of them comes with a big price. So shop around. If this is something that you would like, shop around and try to find the best deal for you, right? Now, it was not my desire even to have a raised bed, not even a wooden one. And I made 5 wooden raised beds in my garden myself. We're going to talk about it on my live tonight, okay? Yeah, something pecked on my pepper, but that's okay, because I'm going to... come here, Mama. Okay. It's got a mark on it, but that's not gonna stop anything, baby. It's not gonna stop anything. It's a leisure, y'all. It's a leisure. Yeah. Awesome. The other day, I was in such a down mood. I didn't notice on my moringa tree. And this is what I saw today. Check this out. You all see that? So if you don't know what that is a moringa pod. And the tree is full of them. There is so many. And I was not paying attention at all. But they have pods all over the tree, y'all. They are all over. I'm so excited about all of these pods. There they are. That's one right there. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. See that right there? There's 2 pods right there. Oh, and there's another one. Let's see if I can get close. There it is right there. Wait, get out the way. Right there, right there. They are all over. I'm so excited. We're gonna have seeds. Again! Because my butterfly pea tea was so delicious, yeah, the other day I made more. I made more today. It is delicious and it gave me a lot of energy, and I'm going to need it also for today. I'm feeling better, just accepting the will of God, right? So this is my butterfly pea tea, and it is so good, family. I hope you all have an opportunity to grow some of these beautiful flowers and enjoy this beautiful tea. Not only is it beautiful, but it's so very beneficial. Yeah, it's beneficial to our bodies. There's many nutrients in this tea. You're gonna love it, y'all. You're gonna love it.